I have a practical job that I will offer to you. With over 250 million companies eager to implement AI but unsure where to start, you have a unique opportunity to step in, provide solutions, and cash in on this high-demand career path. Be a prompt specialist. Now, you may ask, what prompt specialist is? Well, a prompt specialist focuses on optimizing the use of AI tools, particularly those powered by natural language processing, NLP, like ChatGPT, to help businesses enhance their operations. A prompt specialist is expected to crafting effective prompts, problem solving, client management, testing and iteration, creating guides and resources, research and development, training and support, understanding business needs, and crafting effective prompts. Here are the steps on how to become an effective prompt specialist and earn money from it. Step 1. Learn effective prompting. Before going into how to find clients and start making money, there's one essential step that must not be overlooked. So do not skip this. The very first and most vital step to becoming a successful prompt specialist is mastering effective prompting. Without investing time in developing the skill, you will likely face challenges later when trying to implement the following steps. Begin by utilizing the free resources available online. A fantastic starting point is the OpenAI documentation guides, which are incredibly comprehensive and will provide you with a strong understanding of how ChatGPT operates and how to create effective prompts. Best of all, it's free. Another excellent resource is the AI for Everyone course. On Coursera, while it doesn't focus specifically on prompting, it offers a solid grounding in AI concepts that will help contextualize your work. Alternatively, you can explore websites like learnprompting.org, which specializes in tutorials and resources for prompt engineering. If that doesn't suit you, YouTube is also a valuable platform, featuring numerous channels with detailed tutorials on how to effectively prompt ChatGPT and other AI tools. Step 2. Identify potential client. Now it's time to proceed to Step 2, which focuses on finding clients who could benefit from your services. I highly recommend starting by identifying potential clients in your local area. Meeting them face-to-face earns significantly more trust than reaching out online. If you've watched my channel before, you'll know that I prefer using Google Maps to discover local businesses. You can utilize Google Maps to locate nearby businesses that might benefit from workflow optimization. This includes restaurants, retail shops, and various service providers such as chiropractors, hair salons, and dentists. These types of establishments often have repetitive tasks that can be automated, which saves them both time and money. For instance, you could begin with social media management, as it's a common service where you can help businesses save either time or money, or even both. Here's a bonus tip. When you identify potential clients, make sure to conduct thorough research. Visit their websites and social media pages to understand their current operations and pinpoint areas where AI, ChatGPT, or other tools could make a significant difference. Step 3. Create a client. Pitch. What you should do is compile a list of businesses you wish to approach, gather details about the decision maker or owner, and then use ChatGPT to help craft an engaging pitch. This pitch should outline who you are, what you do, any relevant courses or certifications you hold, and how you can assist them in saving time, money, or both. Make sure to emphasize the services you can provide and the specific benefits to their business, focusing on cost savings and efficiency improvements. If you can quantify these benefits, ensure your pitch is clear, concise, and relevant to each business instead of using a generic template. Step 4. Reach out to potential clients. After compiling your list of potential clients, which I suggest should be a few hundred, you're set to move forward, reaching out to them. A great way to do this is by offering a free initial consultation. This can be conducted over the phone or in person, depending on your availability and whether travel is necessary. Starting with a phone call can be a time-efficient option. Begin by sending a personalized email or calling them to introduce yourself and highlight how your services can benefit their business. Remember, this isn't a one-time effort. You'll likely need to send out hundreds of these emails or messages to start securing clients, and that's perfectly normal. As you reach out, emphasize that the meeting is optional, but they will gain significant value from it. The better you articulate this value, the more likely you are to convert leads into booked consultations. During the consultation, you can either ask detailed questions about their business operations and challenges, or send them a survey beforehand to gather that information. This allows you to prepare and provide valuable insights during the meeting. Bonus tip: nurture relationships. The essential part is to cultivate those relationships. Stay in touch, check in frequently, and keep providing value. As you enhance your portfolio and reputation, attracting new clients and increasing your income will become more manageable. That's basically it. You now have the tools and strategies to start your journey as a prompt specialist in the AI industry. But hey, before you go, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What excites you most about the prospect of becoming a prompt specialist in the AI industry? Is it the potential earnings, the ability to work from home, or something else? Drop your answers in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this video valuable, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips and insights on how to capitalize on the latest trends and grow your income. I'll see you in the next video.